Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create dynamic image layouts using Frame Mask. Begin by opening a new document in Photoshop. Use the Frame tool to draw frames of different sizes and orientations across your canvas. Drag your images into each frame, adjusting scale and position to highlight focal points. Optional tip: overlap frames slightly or rotate them for more visual interest. Add text or graphic elements strategically to balance the layout. Group frames for organized editing and quick adjustments. Practicing this method allows you to design layouts that feel lively and engaging.